I've been on a hunt to discover undiscovered meals in my city, across the country, across the world, every time. This restaurant, Peng You, is a restaurant which is there at South Point Mall currently. I've been to this restaurant with my father many years back. An Instagram message saying that, hey guys, I want to teach people how to eat hot pot, and I did not know there's a little love story happening. Mr. Nagar over here and Xin Liu, who married and who set up this beautiful restaurant, and are going to take us through the process of how to eat a hot pot. Today's conversation is not only about the one dish I'm going to be talking about, which is one of my favorite things to eat in the communal style. I have to pull a new friend every time to come here in order to try hot pot. The problem that I've faced all this time while I've been trying to grab a friend, what is hot pot? How do I eat hot pot? So I decided to create a simple video to explain what is hot pot, how to eat hot pot, and it's not that complicated. I mean, I need to honestly take a plunge and travel to China minimum for 1 or 2 months, which I'm going to try to do in the next 1 year. My goal is to travel China extensively to understand every regional cuisine, because Chinese cuisine as a term comes on everyone's mouth very loosely globally. I think they need to go into the specifics of Cantonese, Sichuan, Hunan. They need to start understanding what the cuisine means way more. You guys fell in love, came back to India. You don't have a Chinese cooking background.
But I learned there.
What love, yeah? What is this love, yeah?
Since we decided to into this industry, so he traveled many times to China for the training, just to bring that authentic. The one we are having here in our restaurant is the Sichuan-style, which is spicy, non-filling. Why Sichuan food is so outstanding? It's just because so much chili you put in it, and so much Sichuan pepper you put in it.
Super. Are you ready to get your mouth on fire, guys? So the base of starting the order of a hot pot is to figure out, do you want how many bases? I'm a second base guy, so we go for 2 bases usually. My standard order is 2 side bases. One is a Szechuan spicy peppercorn, red in color, nice and flamey, will make your morning terrible base. And second base is with mushrooms, meaty. Third base that they have is tomato, which usually I don't get, but for other people coming in, I'm sure you can get 3 flavor base. Then we go into choosing the meats. I usually go crazy with this. I'm very hungry. I love meat slices. Yeah, the mutton slice. I like the meatballs. Chicken is my least favorite meat in my hierarchy of meats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
But if you like, you want to do chicken balls?
I know, I'm fine with
No. If you want, I will get you chicken balls. So we'll do chicken balls.
Yeah.
It's her restaurant. She has some power today. Squid works better.
Yeah.
In a hot pot, there are vegetarian options too. Usually mushrooms go very, very, very well with a hot pot. Oh, I've not seen this side of the menu ever, by the way. Wow. By the way, I've never turned the menu. I've never seen these type of mushroom: white mushroom, flat mushroom, black mushroom, enoki mushroom. Wow. We'll pass this on to the server. We'll come and take our order. A nice bowl of broth will come here, and now it's time to go and pick our sauces. So now we'll go in and get our choice of sauces that become a dipping sauce for the hot pot. Whatever goes in, you dip it in and eat it. So let's go for your choices.
So I will do first.
Yeah.
There are many kinds of sauces, dipping sauces are here. So personally, I like to put garlic, coriander, spring onion, hoisin sauce a little bit, peanut sauce, and sesame oil.
So wow, you like to mix up everything.
Yeah.
So I like a little bit of garlic, stuffed spicy, and some hoisin, lots of peanut and sesame oil. Obviously now the best part of the hot pot is going to come, the meats.
So we have this. We have this bone. So you can use this bone once
Yes,
it's
sir.
cooked, there is ready. Then you can use the.
Pull
spoon
that
to
out,
eat
yeah. And this is actually my favorite things to actually eat.
So this is mutton slice. Mostly customers like this.
So we're basically clearly seeing that the spicy broth is always a winner when it comes to hot pot. It's always about waiting. There's a certain time that will take for a meat to cook. Usually start off with your meats that take longer to cook and then you go into lighter meats. What I've realized from interacting while I've been eating hot pots all over, the main idea about a hot pot is to get people together. The beauty about every hot pot is that every hot pot is different. It's never the same meal. It's always a different combination of the sauces that you pour together. It's always a different combination of how long you've cooked the meat for, or how badly your friend has put the meatball inside for that long and given it to you. So every hot pot experience is different. Every hot pot experience is unique. And it's actually not very intimidating. It's very simple. You come into a restaurant, order your bases, go to the sauce counter, pick the sauces you want, come and sit down, order your meats, dip them in, cook them to your style. There's a range of that you should be basic knowledge you should be having, that prawns cook faster, meats cook slower, put them inside, enjoy. Spend an evening with multiple people together. 3 people is less for a hot pot. In a round table together, lots of people, lots of banter, lots of drinks, which I need to call for one more drink for myself because I've had lots of drinks today. And the beauty about this place is where we are, please come here. They're very hospitable. I've always had some great experiences at this restaurant. Come here, order the hot pot and have a great time. Cheers.